Woody and Don, Tool Specialist Services, and we just finished inventorying and organizing the tools over here at Nextran Truck Company in Fort Myers, Florida. And you can see we have the panel system here, and we have the dog tags right up front for the guys. But we inventory each tool, put it in this special OEM, and we label the panels also, which is very helpful. And so it's all on a database, each tool, what they have, what they don't have, and then we organize their totes and their kits all on these shelves here. We have these smaller blue totes here that we use to put in tools that have quite a few accessories with them and make great kits. And some of their fixtures. So the shelves work out great. This is our racking system here. One of the guys have one of the tools out right now. These are where we put a lot of the hoses and things that are real messy. And then we organize some of their non-current tools or their recommended tools in these also. But this is a great rack system that works well also for organizing and inventorying the tools. And we got also a shelf for all their universal stuff. And so we also have another room that we organized their Isuzu tools in. We came in, fixed it all up, painted it. And you can see we have all their Isuzu tools in there. So the guys can find their tools much quicker, get to the job faster, and get the work done that they need to get done. All right, well, we're gonna head on down the road, and we thank Tool Organization Services for the job, and God for his help.